How to direct a short film in 6 weeks.
First step to make your next Fight Club, you need a budget. Crowdsource, crowdfund, ask your grandma, ask your grandpa, or get a sick internship where they do it for you. Next step, have a script ready. Have a friend write it for you or base it off a book.
Learn to pitch your film. Watch as many YouTube videos as you can and learn the elevator pitch.
If you're directing the film, make sure you have a producer and DP, and then the rest will come together. It's now time to create your shot list and storyboard. Very fun. Now, you gotta start location scouting. Go check out all the little cute park benches and restaurants and ask them if you can shoot there.
At this point, I hope you have your crew together, and now it's time to have all the equipment ready, rented, and ready for your shoot dates.
Start casting as soon as possible. You'll thank me later. Go check out part 2. Part 2 of how to direct a short film in 6 weeks. Okay, so remember, you're gonna start casting early. I recommend websites like Backstage, Actors Access. You can do it on your own. You don't need a casting director. Once you've secured location, actors, and crew, it's time to start preparing for the actual day. This includes sending out call sheets, having craft service ready, and having your shooting schedule ready. What shots do you need on this day? It is now time to shoot your film. Be ready for anything that comes at you on the shoot day, including sacrificing some shots because of time. And most importantly, have fun. It's your project. And that's a wrap! I hope you enjoy it and kill it on your movie. You got this.